Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this graphic liner tutorial. Today I'm going to be using the CC Beauty again. I used it in my last week's video to show y'all how I create every single color that you can think of. Basically your own colored liners, and on this tutorial I'm going to be showing how I created this look. So if y'all want to see how I created this look, then make sure to keep watching. So starting off with my base, just going to be setting that and going to be using any white powder you have. I used a white eyeshadow from the Blood Sugar palette. Y'all can use any white eyeshadow y'all have to set it. So today I used this CC Beauty paint to create this graphic liner look, you guys. I hope that y'all love it, and I hope that just by looking at it y'all get an idea on how to do it, because I really wanted to take this opportunity to talk about the Black Lives Movement and just really talk about that, and make sure to add I'm gonna make sure to add a lot of links in my bio so that way y'all can sign petitions as well, you guys, because I really want to make sure to get this point across and to really get to as many people as possible, because I want y'all to know that I am 110% behind this movement. I know what it feels like to be discriminated against, obviously, because of my sexuality, but I think it's wrong to discriminate against anybody for anything, whether that's your sexuality, your skin color, what you like it really doesn't matter at the end of the day, because that's like giving a shit about somebody's favorite color. Like, it does not even matter at that point. It's just ignorant, it's dumb, and I'm just so saddened that, I don't know, like, I'm just sad that it's really, we're almost in 2020, you guys, and I have to really talk about this in a video. Like, it's just, it's mind-blowing to me. Yeah, I'm using the conspiracy palette. Anyways, sorry. My mind's all over the place. It's just, it's really crazy to me, like, especially coming from a place of knowing what it feels like to be discriminated against. It breaks my heart that Black people are going through police brutality. Like, that's just so wrong. They're taking away so many rights from us, and I'm really just here to let y'all know that I am fighting with y'all 110%. I'm with y'all, and I don't want anybody to stop fighting. If you believe that this is right, if you believe that this is something that you want to make a change in, do not stop fighting. Do not stop getting your point across, because we are all equal, we are all human, and nobody's allowed to take our rights away. Don't ever let somebody make you feel like you're less than, or they're better than you in any type of situation, because they're not. We're all equal to each other. And I want everyone to know that I love y'all so much, every single one of y'all, for y'all's differences, for everything that makes y'all unique, for your skin color, for your sexuality. It doesn't matter. I love you for you, completely you, because at the end of the day, you're only a reflection of me. And that's the reality of life. Whenever people are ignorant like that, they don't see that they're being ignorant, because they're fucking ignorant. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to curse, but you know, so much frustration built up, because we're really in 2020, and I'm just, wow, the ignorance is real. Anyways, you guys, I really want to make this video turn around and try to turn this into a positive video. So like I said, I'm going to have a bunch of petitions down below in my bio so y'all can sign them. If y'all haven't, please do. If y'all haven't got out and voted, please do. Sign up to vote, you guys, so that way y'all can get y'all's vote across, because your vote is important. I promise it will make a difference in so many people's lives. And I also want to bring up the fact that kids are also in detention centers, you guys. Please sign petitions to get those kids out of the detention centers, to get the people out of those detention centers, because they do not deserve to be in there, you guys. Just put yourself in that position and really try to feel what it would feel like to be in there, to have to deal with either being sexually harassed or being mistreated, being misfed, put on a cold floor, no cover. Like, how inhumane do you have to be to think that's okay? Like I said, my point of this, and just my whole point in general, is just sign petitions if you really feel like this is wrong. I 110% feel like this is wrong, and I'm gonna keep fighting for it. And if any one of y'all disagree with anything that I have to say, please just block me. Please just unfollow me. I do not need ignorant people on my social media platform. This platform is for love. This platform is for acceptance. This platform is for unity. When you come onto my channel, I want you to feel like we're friends, like you can trust me, because I knew at one point I didn't have anybody to go to. I didn't have anybody to talk to, so I want y'all to know that with me, y'all are always loved, y'all are always accepted, there is no judgment coming from me. So just know that that is all my platform is for. This was never about money, and that's why I always add that in my intro, because this is never about money, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I really just want to use this platform to spread love and light, and that is all. So if you're not with anything that I have said so far, please, like I said, unfollow me. I still love you and I respect your decision, but I want y'all to know that I do not live my life like that. And I really just want everybody to get to a place where we all realize that we're one, and we need to respect each other's lives and just mind our own business, because that's the big one. Because we have a whole lot of Karens that are in everybody's business, and sis, nah, like, no, that's not right. Like, go on and try to go learn how to be happy. Stop being in somebody else's life. Stop giving a F about what's going on over there. It doesn't matter, because like I said, that goes back to it being like, it's like caring about somebody's favorite color. It's pointless, it's ignorant, it's dumb. It's just, there's no point to it. Go live your life, live your best life, enjoy the little things, and just get off being negative. I really hope that this video made a turnaround and still ended up being as positive as I hoped it to be. I mean, I tried. I really just, it's just the reality of what's going on right now. And I hadn't posted this video. This video was supposed to be posted last week. Hadn't posted it because I was just so overwhelmed with everything going on the social media and just reposting everything about the Black Lives Movement. And like I said, I just want y'all to know that I am with y'all 110%. I will always be with y'all 110%. I'm not black, but I see you, I hear you, I mourn with you, and I will fight with you, because this is our rights. We're all equal. I love y'all all so much, and like I said, I hope that this video still made a positive turnaround, and y'all learned something from this video about me, about this movement. And like I said, all those links will be down in the bio, so please make sure to sign. And yeah, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this look. I ended up coming out with like this, like, it was like a graphic liner kind of what is it called, glitched out effect that I was going for. And then I ended up showing y'all that y'all could actually just put also put glitter on it, which I ended up loving so much more than. But you get the point. Y'all have fun with makeup. Enjoy yourselves. I love y'all so much, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all next time. And I also want to add a quote from Coretta Scott King. She said, "I don't believe you can stand for freedom for one group of people and deny it to others." I wanted to add this quote in because it really spoke to me, and I feel like it would make sense to so many others. So I hope that this quote resonates with you, and I hope that you understand exactly where I'm coming from and especially to those people that aren't as open-minded. I hope that this quote gets you to see that you have to be more open-minded. Like, you can't care about somebody else's life and how they choose to live their life. You're just supposed to respect it and learn to live your life and be happy on your own without having to feel like you have to judge others to feel happy, because at the end of the day, if you have to judge others to feel happy, you aren't genuinely happy. So just a quote to think about. I really wanted to make sure to add that in.
Will you still be here? Na 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 na.
Alright, Foxy, so this is the finished look on the graphic liner tutorial. I honestly ended up loving it so much. I ended up going back and making a few changes just because I already recorded this part in the beginning like multiple times, but I really wasn't pleased with the outcome of the look, so I went back and fixed it, and I will be entering clips of what the look looked like before I came back and fixed it. But yeah, I mean, regardless, I hope that y'all can have fun with whatever type of liner look that y'all are going for, and if y'all love this and y'all recreate it, please make sure to tag me and DM me. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And until next time, please make sure to leave me some love, some likes, some comments, and I'll see y'all Wednesday or Saturday. Alright, bye Foxies.
No one can do it like you.